Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to bring y'all a recipe that I really love. It is a copycat recipe of chicken tequila pasta at California Pizza Kitchen. I like this for a meal prep for dinner or lunch or whatever, because every day the seasonings just get better. It just tastes better every day. It gets better. And I'm the kind of person, I hate meal preps because I don't like eating the same thing every day. Like, I like variety, and it got to be really good for me to keep. You know what I'm saying? Some things just don't sit well. So with that being said, let's get into this recipe. The first thing that you're gonna want to do is cut up the jalapeños and garlic, and then you're gonna go ahead and get this little mixture going. I put all the ingredients on the screen, but okay, you guys, so now you chop up all the peppers. I think it's one red, green, and a yellow. I honestly just grab 3 peppers when I go to the store, like it's whatever kind you like, and a red onion, and make sure that you thinly slice them. This is the longest part of the recipe. Like, it takes forever only because of the chopping. I promise you. The chopping is tedious, but it's worth it. So yeah, get your peppers going, get that simmering. We still have the jalapenos, and then we poured that liquid mixture that you just saw, which is the tequila and everything in the chicken stock. You're gonna pour that into the jalapeno and garlic, let that simmer, and then now we're getting the chicken ready. So with the chicken, I'm starting to only want to buy bone-in chicken. If you know, you know. It's just, yes, crazy out there. So to make sure my chicken is chicken, you know what I'm saying? So I removed the skin, and the recipe tells you to put the chicken in the pan and sear it on both sides for 5 minutes first, and then take it back out and thinly slice it. And then after you do that, you're going to put the chicken back in with the peppers. So when you do it this way, you know how sometimes when you cook chicken with pasta, it just can get a little rubbery. I hate that. Chicken is my least favorite meat, like, FYI, fun fact. So I promise, when you do it like this, I don't know if something from the peppers, I don't know if it breaks it down, tenderizes it better, but when you do it like this, it's so good. So yeah, just follow that other saucepan that you see is going to be heavy whipping cream and soy sauce. All the measurements are going to be in the description box, so no worries, you'll know how much of everything you need. And I'm just sipping on my Centennial. I love drinking that because it kind of like helps even my stomach out. I don't know, it just settles my stomach. You know how you drink anything with ginger? It has basil and fennel in it, I think, which is good for digestion. So yeah, I like to sip on those. And now I have mixed in that heavy whipping cream and soy sauce with the jalapeno, and then we're just going to cook the noodles. Takes about 15 minutes. I do this at the end. You could do it, of course, like while everything else is going, but also the original recipe does have spinach noodles. I can't find those in Whole Foods anymore. The first time I made this, I found them and it was absolutely perfect, but I haven't been able to find them in store. If you still want to use those, of course, like, go on Amazon and get some, but it's not that serious for me to have them. It's still good with just regular fettuccine noodles, so that's what I'm using here. But yeah, and I just love this recipe too, because you're getting so much good fiber and like vegetables and, you know, all the stuff that you need when you're training, but you don't have to make it separately and warm up everything separately for your meal prep. Like, it's literally all in one. So
setup this night.
Okay, so the only thing that I'm missing is Cholula hot sauce.
Go.
But was it his?
What other meal was there?
It was this security driver.
All the